Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a house. Every now and then I want to do like simple objects again. I just haven't done enough of those, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to do how to draw a house, all right? Simple, easy, completely for beginners, so let's get started, all right? Woo. Before you do that, definitely don't forget, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. I post 3 times every single weekday. I don't think anybody else posts as much as I do, so, you know, it's hard to do. So for encouragement, please hit that subscribe and click that bell notification. It's good for you too, by the way. It kind of lets you know what I post. So let's get started. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw a straight line across that line of the house. We're going to have the, what do you call it? I don't know what you call this. It's like over the door frame. Keep going across here. All right, so we have kind of that the rim of that house. Line over here for the top of the roof there, and I'm gonna pull a line from there down here, and then that's gonna pull in here. So you got that roof at an angle there, that top, that little mini roof. So let's do that major roof over here. So I'm gonna go over here, pull up at an angle, go over here, do the exact same thing, pull up at an angle, pull a line across here to connect these 2 top lines. Over here on the bottom here, we're going to find the left side of that house. Over here on this side of the house. And then we want the back end of the house, kind of. So I'm going to pull a line down over here for the back of that roof. Pull it in just a bit. Pull a line like so. And we're going to find the back end over here. So I'm going to maybe start over here, this area. And I'm going to pull a line straight down. It's going to be that back end, the side. Well, it's not really, it's the back end of the house, but it's a side of the house. This is the side. Then I'm going to connect this line, which is way higher, to this line. Okay? So, realistically, it's a box, right? It's just like a carrying box with a roof over it, really. I'm going to go over here, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put some bushes in front of the house. Over here as well. And then I'm going to draw a straight line across from those bushes to each other. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go after the door. So I'm going to pull a line up, curve over the top, then pull straight down. Don't forget, hit the like button if you do like these simple objects, you know, I'm doing. That's funny, every time I post one of these videos, I'm like, oh man, this one's gonna get less views than ever, but, you know, it's just stuff I want to take care of. I want to check this stuff off the list, so when you... Okie doke. Sorry, the camera shut off out of... the camera ran out of battery, so hopefully that edit is seamless. All right, let's go over here and draw a box on the window. Literally like a square. Not even a box, sorry, a square as a window. Square over here, and then through it, I'm gonna actually put a line through it like so. Line through it like so. And I'm gonna, you know, kind of, what do you call it? Close off the bottom of these bushes. The door needs a doorknob. And if you really want, you could put like a chimney over here. Let's put like a line up here. Line across. Line down. Across the top here. Up. Up. Cross. Line in. Up. Line over here. Down. For a side window right there. This is just extra stuff. And you can put whatever you want, by the way. You can put like a lawn, you know, you can put like a straight line over here. So tip really quick, if you want, this line right here should be pretty close to this line as far as angle goes. See, mine's a little off, but side of the house right here, that road, anything kind of in that same general direction should be kind of in a similar angle, although that's kind of the only one right there. I mean, the top of the house, not really. You can draw like right here. You can draw places on the sidewalk here. Yeah, look at that. And there's so much you can do with this. This is really just a template, and it's kind of up to you to kind of do what you want, really, you know? And what do I want to do? Okay, I want to draw maybe, no. I have no idea what to do. I'm not creative, but if you're creative, make it happen. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed that. If you want to support the channel, the biggest thing you can do is share the video anywhere. Share it on anywhere. Tumblr, Twitter. What else is there to share it on? I don't think you can share it on TikTok, but just share it anywhere and it will help, okay? Reddit. I'll talk to you next time and I'll see you very soon. All right? Reach out to me, by the way, if you need any advice. I'll reply to every single comment. That's another thing. So if you ever have any requests or comments or questions, I respond to everything. Thank you so much, and I do appreciate it, and I'll talk to you next time, all right? See ya. Out.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link, that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.